To record the screen of your PC with CapCut desktop app is easy. If you don't have CapCut desktop app, please install it, okay? Click on your Microsoft Store, search for it, and get it installed. So let's get into it. After that, you need to launch it. So I'll click on this, then I'll click here and search for CapCut. As it shows up, I'll click on it. And here the CapCut desktop application has opened. So you will see new project, you will see AI video maker, and you will see record screen. This is updated version. Because your interest is to record screen, click on record screen. So once you make that click, take your cursor to the part of the PC where you want to start. So in this case, I want to start from the top left. You can see where my cursor is right now. Okay. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Press and hold down on the left button of your mouse and drag to cover the whole environment. Okay. Release the pressure. So once you release the pressure, you will see maybe this up here, this kind of app, or will I say design? Okay, let's call it design. Appear at the bottom part. Okay, video is turned off. If the camera is turned off, if you want it to be on, just press on it. It will be turned on. But because the screen you want to record, I don't want it to capture my face in any way. Microphone is turned on, which means as you're recording, your audio is going to be captured as well. So the next step is to click on Start. But before clicking on Start, if you are not comfortable with the position of this, all right, you can take your cursor here, press and hold that place you have three dots, okay, and drag it to any position of your screen where you want it to be. As it's recording, this is not going to be captured. All right, so this setup is not going to be captured, but you are seeing it so that it will help you to create what you want to create. Okay, so the next step is to click on Start. As it's recording, I can click on maybe an application I want to use. I'll start doing what I want to do. Let's say Microsoft Store. I'll click on it. So everything I'm doing now will be captured. Okay, and once you're done recording the screen, you will see the screen recorder by the side where you had it, where you dragged it to. If it's here at the bottom, it will be at the bottom where you dragged it, where you had it at the initial time. Okay, but if it's here, just take your cursor to that place where it is. You can pause. If you want to pause it, you click on the pause button. All right. If you want to stop it, maybe you're done with what you're recording, you click on stop recording. And in this case, I'm going to click on stop recording. So once you click on that stop recording, everything will be stopped and the file will be placed in the CapCut. If you want to download extra file, maybe you want to download a backup into your PC, click on this download button, which is what I like doing. In case anything goes wrong, I'll have a copy and I have a copy to work with, okay? Now clicking on download, a folder in your PC will be open and you can see here, I'm in a downloads folder. Okay, so if you're okay with the folder selected or clicking on that, leave it there. If you're not okay, maybe you want to have it inside pictures folder, click on pictures. That means this file is going to be saved inside the pictures folder. Then you click on select folder. So with this is saved inside the pictures folder. This is the video. Okay, this is the video and this is the audio because they are not placed together. They're separated. But when you're editing, everything aligns for you to edit your video very well. So let's get to the CapCut window again. I was here because it brings, this is the way I was started. When it's recording, it comes up with this. So don't be confused. Okay. Now let's say I want to edit this now. So what you need to click is to click on edit more. On clicking on edit more, that is going to be placed into your CapCut desktop application. All right, you can see the video at the top, you can see the audio at the bottom. So you can play as you're playing your editing. All right, and as you can see, that one that was capturing has gone.